Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Draft National Hydrogen Mission Policy. Punjab Regulatory Commission allows Punjab State Power Corporation Limited to end PPS with NTPC. Game Change Solar finishes tracker project in Gujarat. Coming to the details. Power Minister R.K. Singh said that the draft National Hydrogen Mission Policy prepared by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy was under ministerial consultation. Highlights of draft policy are: India's draft hydrogen policy will mandate a gradual increase in the use of green hydrogen instead of fossil fuels in refineries and fertilizer plants. The use of green hydrogen would cut imports of ammonia and natural gas required for fertilizer production. The draft policy wants green hydrogen to account for 10% of overall hydrogen needs of refineries from 2023-24, rising it to 25% in 5 years. The respective requirements for fertilizer sector are 5% and 20%. The policy intends to boost green hydrogen production and its use across multiple sectors including transportation. Mandating production of green hydrogen is one way to create significant demand for renewable energy also. India has already begun the use and announced production for green hydrogen. As recently in July, Indian Oil Corporation Limited has announced plans to build the first ever commercial green hydrogen plant at its Madura refinery in Uttar Pradesh. NTPC Renewable Energy Limited has also signed MOU with Union Territory of Ladakh to set up the country's first green hydrogen mobility project. Recently, JSW Future Energy partnered with an Australian firm Fortescue Future Industries to explore opportunities to develop green hydrogen projects in India. Last week, Indian Railways invited bids to explore if diesel fuel trains could operate using green hydrogen. In its first move to allow Punjab State Power Corporation Limited to terminate an agreement with producers having higher generation cost, the state regulator has permitted PSPCL to relinquish allocated power from 3 gas-based power plants of NTPC. Background: the PSPCL has signed the power purchase agreement in 1997 for these plants and was getting 49 megawatt from Anta, 83 megawatt from Auria and 132 megawatt from Dadri, all gas-based power plants of NTPC. The PSPCL surrendered more than 90% of its share in 2018-19 and 88% in 2019-20 as the variable cost of power, which depends upon the prices of gas for these plants, was higher, but it is still paying fixed charges to these power stations. The PSPCL paid 128.99 crore in 2018-19 and 115.11 crore in 2019 and 20 as fixed charges against power surrendered from these gas-based power plants. PSERC's decision will save around 115 crore for the PSPCL, which will reduce power purchase cost and ultimately benefit consumers. US solar equipment supplier Game Change Solar has completed its first Genius Tracker project in India for Tata. The 394 megawatt project is located 110 kilometers from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. More than 20% of the materials used while installing the Genius Tracker came from within the country. Game Changer Solar is targeting to locally source more than 50% of the parts for its system on all future projects in India. Game Change Solar announced last month that it was setting up an office in Bangalore, Karnataka. In March this year, the PV tracker firm announced that it had deployed over 230,000 solar trackers till date. Each solar tracker is an independent robotic system that moves an average 90 PV solar modules throughout the course of the day to follow the sun and interact with weather patterns to optimize energy harvest for power plant owners. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 204.23 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 4 rupees 61 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 57 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 7 rupees 38 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 4 rupees 95 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 4 rupees 73 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.